morning. Today's a very interesting day because we're at NASA. And what's going to happen in approximately 3 hours' time?
They're doing a launch.
They're doing a launch. So they're launching, I think, one of the Dragon capsules to the ISS, carrying crew. So we're potentially going to see a rocket launch. Lynette is a fan of NASA. And we're both wearing our NASA t-shirts because we're dorks. So we're going to go have a look around. We've just done the Hall of Heroes, which was quite interesting. And yeah, lots to do. And then got to try and drag Lynette away from the gift shop.
The world's largest gift shop.
So that's going to be fun. This is going to be quite an interesting day of our NASA experience. For the benefit of a few, yes, a 12-foot wooden pole would fit down there. Hi! It's raining apparently in Florida, big thunderstorm rain. So Sunnyring, we've just had a smashing day at NASA. We're going to get on the bus to go back to the shop where Lynette is going to spend a lot of money. Well, that was an amazing day at NASA. We had some great fun. Got caught in a massive thunderstorm. We just spent some money in the NASA shop. How much did we spend in the NASA shop? Enough. Well, we got some bits: t-shirts, oven gloves, stickers, patches, magnets, hoodies, t-shirts. You know, it's the essentials. So probably won't do another video because tonight is just another night in with a bit of a TV dinner. I might collapse in the pool at some point, but yeah, so really good day out. You definitely need a full day here at Kennedy. It's not just a quick run-in job. It is a full day. We've been here from 9 till close, so we were here as the gates opened to closing. It's now 5 o'clock. So we're going to go find the car and then we're going to head back. Bye.